Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be watching this really funny video called from H3 called Taste Your Own Poop Challenge. So, yeah, watch that.
You guys heard about the ice bucket challenge? I'm floating around Facebook here and I saw someone shared this page. Here's what 11 celebrities look like immediately after the ice bucket challenge. Have we become such pussies as a community, as a people? This is how we're challenging people by pouring a bucket of cold water on our heads. This is not the world that I want to live in here. Here we go. Watch Justin Timberlake pour a bucket of water on his head. Wow. Wow. I can't believe he did that. I wonder who he challenged to put a bucket of water on their heads. Whoa. Carson Daly. Wow, he hasn't been relevant in 20 years. Jimmy Fallon, who cares? But whoa, I mean, look how uncomfortable he is. He's clearly cold and wet. Whoa. Wow. Do you have the bravery if I challenge you to pour a bucket of water on your head? I mean, look at Kate Mara. I don't know who that is, but she's clearly uncomfortable right now. She's smiling? No. Angel, I don't know who these people are, guys, but the point is, what the fuck is this? We as a society can think of better challenges, better challenge memes, okay? And I feel inspired, I feel obligated to think of some better ones. Here's some just off the top of my head. Send anthrax in the mail to as many people as possible without being tracked by the FBI. That's a challenge, guys. Man, I just spent a whole day not masturbating while watching hentai. Wow, that's an accomplishment, okay? Not putting cold water on your head. Push your grandma down the stairs challenge, you know? Get your grandma's inheritance by pushing her down the stairs. Give your grandma a tumble challenge. And I'm just thinking this off the top of my head. And that's why more people should listen to me. But I'm not done. I've got more challenges, guys. Eat dinner challenge. I just ate dinner, and I challenge you, all of you at home, to eat dinner. Are you man enough? Do you have what it takes to eat dinner? Ethan just ate dinner? Whoa! Such bravery. The ice bucket challenge? Come on, guys. This is pathetic. Here's my challenge. Lick your own poop challenge. Take a shit in your hand and you lick it. You just do one lick, guys. It doesn't sound that challenging. You just shit in your hand. It's gotta be your own feces. You can't go and get dog shit or cat shit or anything like that. That's more sterile. Hard. It's gotta be your own shit in your hand, fresh from your own asshole. Give it a smell. You know? Take it up, breathe it in. You know what I mean? You do a lick. You just see what it tastes like. I can't be the only one who's ever wondered what shit tastes like. I consider myself a relatively normal person. I can't be the only one who's wondered what this shit tastes like. You're with me on that. I'm a little curious. I know you're not supposed to taste it. I know it's probably not going to taste good, but I'm a little curious. I'm a little more curious about how shit tastes than what water feels like being dumped on my head. I know what the fuck that feels like. So let's get some new experiences as a human collective. I'll go take a shower. I know what it feels like to put water on my head. There's not a fucking challenge. So, hang on, guys. I'm going to go shit in my hand. I'm going to bring it back and lick it. And then I'm going to challenge some more people. So stay tuned. Just one sec. Okay, here we go. I'm starting to push. And missed it. I'm starting to push. Oh, here it comes. All right. And just get a little more. Missing a little bit. That's okay.
Yeah.
Getting a fair amount in there. But good thing we got our energy towel, so we wouldn't be able to clean this up. No problem. Here we got a nice chunk of feces, you know. So first you have to smell it.
Yeah.
Smells right. And now I gotta just give it a taste. Get the impression, see what it's about. So here we go.
I wonder if this was actually real.
Not too bad, actually. Alright, well, so that I've just completed the Taste Your Own Shit challenge, and I'm calling out one very special person to follow suit. Filthy Frank, you have 1 week to finish the Taste Your Own Shit challenge. If you don't taste your own shit within 1 week, you're a coward, okay? Now, unless you want to be yellow, you better taste the brown, okay? So that's H3H3 signing out. And it's in your court now, Filthy Frank. Let's just see how filthy you are. Peace, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Just, we're going to be bleached. I don't think one of this is going to be enough.
Why do you do this? This shit here.
Yeah. Clean up my shit, Hila.
It's everywhere.
Hila, there's some here. You're missing the shit.
Gross.
Hurry and clean it. Here's the culprit. Woo! Guys. Old period blood. He wants a big hairy cheetah pet down there. This is the vegan who wants to lick your pussy.
You must be at least 18 years old to watch this video, and you must also be a vegan. Carnists are not allowed to watch this video. Press stop right now. If you want to rape, torture, and murder my friends, then you do not get to watch this video. It is a special treat just for vegans.
If you've seen some of my videos, you've heard me talk about how much I love vegan vaginas.
Oh, dude!
Chances are,
What the fuck, dog? That's disgusting. Like, man, he doesn't waste any time. This is a treat, guys, for all you vegans out there. Do you feel treated yet? Do you feel like a little special little treat?
God.
No, I want vegan vaginas.
John Silicaris here.
This guy's an expert lip smacker.
Hey, look at this guy.
I can't even make it as loud as him when I'm trying.
Ladies.
Hello, vegan ladies. It's like a horse. Maybe he's been going and raping animals.
You have probably fantasized about me licking your vagina.
My.
If you are a dick,
And let me tell you something else. There's nothing sexier than a man. Immaculate lips. And he's got his eyes real wide, you know, open. Wouldn't you like to get that dry blood off your vagina? It's been there for months. Well, I'll clean it up for you.
God.
animal rights activist and vegan, I would love to lick
shit.
your
So much passion.
vegan vagina.
Alright, we're back in a second. Welcome back.
Between your legs,
No.
and you can fantasize that instead of me licking the air, I am licking your vagina.
Oh, my.
I'm not gay, I am
No?
heterosexual.
You sure, dog?
So I would
You're
like
breaking
to.
my
Yeah,
heart,
right.
man. He's breaking my
He's
heart.
not
He really
gay.
goes back
Yeah,
down,
right.
down my- And trust me, some days I take a shower, he would love to smell my Bob Ganoush, man. I probably not a vagina in the world yet. Stinky as the shit, but go down here on a hot, sweaty day, it's like, oh, it's like, woo! Crazy, man. This guy would love it. He would love it. Should give it a try.
Fantasize about licking your vagina. But if you were a gay man and you want to pretend that I'm licking your balls or your penis or
Say
your
asshole.
anus or something,
Yeah!
it's basically.
My man.
It's basically
Charlie's gonna my anus, Dad!
gracefully before we begin.
Oh, dog, are you trying to lube me up or what? This guy knows how to lube up his audience. All right, you ready for me to lick your asshole? Bye.
God.
Slip my green smoothie here. Yeah, I'm ready to lick your asshole. Fuck, that shit looks so disgusting. He's gonna make my asshole dirty.
You know what's funny? I'm surprised they didn't show that about the guy on Tosh.0. Like, they just show his other videos, like his songs. Like, you know, like they never thought of showing that. That would have been really funny if they showed that video.
God. Oh my god.
God. Yeah.
Shut! Shut! You probably did.
I think he's trying a little bit too hard, though. Are you, what is you trying to say with that green smoothie? Is that what vaginas are supposed to look like? Oozing with green shit? I think you've been going down a little bit too many vegan girls, dog. I think it's time to switch back. If that's what you think vaginas are supposed to look like, man.
Vicious.
Okay.
Now, be a good girl and take your pants down for me, okay?
Oh my god.
Okay. I'll be a good girl for you, daddy. I'll be a good girl for you, daddy.
Okay, get nice and comfortable.
Oh, I'm comfortable, yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna pull your panties down for me, okay?
Oh my god.
Beautiful vegan vagina.
The Ethan Klein's in love with that guy. Look, he's wrapping his legs around the computer.
Yeah.
Wow.
You are so beautiful.
There's a cute, adorable little vegan vagina. Okay,
God.
let's tease you.
Oh, daddy.
Maybe lick the insides of your beautiful thighs too.
Oh, it's too good. Oh, hit that green schmutz off the side of my leg, boy. Oh, that just came from my vagina. Don't worry about that now. Just a little green slime from my vagina. You know how vegans get.
Ah!
Got the other side.
God.
You know what? I get the idea, man. I'm putting back on my pants. Oh, look at that tongue play, boy. You know I like that.
Gonna spread you open a little bit. Oh, yeah.
God.
Ready for me, baby? Are you ready for me?
I'm ready. Looks a little bit like he spread open the goat SC asshole and he's getting him working that. Nice, dude. He's a professional.
I'm going to give you 10 nice, big, long licks. Ready?
Count him off, dog. What is he doing? What is this to signify? Is he putting his head inside the vagina? Like, is he spreading open an asshole and a vagina and, like, getting inside? He's, like, inside. Does that feel good, baby? Ah, your head's in my vagina! Get out of my vagina! It's your whole fucking head! Head! Ah, my God, please!
Oh my god.
That was so fun.
Now, I'm going to put a finger inside you.
Don't. I can't handle it.
Oh my god.
I'm going to get my finger nice and wet for you so it's like
Look that up for me, boy. Oh, you're gonna have to do better than that. Suck that cock, you apparently straight man. Deeper, harder, more lubed up than ever. I'm ready. I don't mind.
Oh, I just want to lick it. It tastes so good. Your freaking vagina juice. I just love it.
Your freaking vagina juice, I just love it so much. It's like freshly squeezed spinach. This video is way too long.
God. God. And guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It means a lot. And until next time, peace out.